let's get to painting. We're gonna make a really pretty hanging pair. They're gonna hang this way. So I'm gonna do my best to not forget that and accidentally. So they should hang from the ears like this with the points facing outward. Let's hope I remember that. Oh, help us, Holy Spirit. Okay, so we're gonna paint the bases. And we're gonna use these gorgeous stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99. I believe they were on sale, so that meant that they were about $1.94 or $1.95, something like that. But they are so cute. Let's take them out so you can see them. Hopefully the lighting is working with me today. These are so pretty. Okay, so they say kiss, kiss me cutie pie, be kind. You do need to get 2 of these in order to have the right number to make earrings. So you'll have 2 of each heart, okay? And these are probably on sale now, so you probably can get it 50% off. Y'all forgive my dog around here playing with his Christmas toy. So we're gonna use a really pretty bubblegum pink. This is actually called neon pink, which is like a Barbie pink to me. Let's see. And I want it to be really pink, so you have to probably do multiple coats. This is this is the outdoor paint, who knew? This is red. Sometimes I'm just picking up stuff and not paying attention. I don't know if that's the bright enough red that I want, look. I don't know. Let's go with the pink and see what happens. And because I want multiple coats, because I want it to show really well, we're gonna go ahead and put the coats on here. So here's what we have so far. And again, they're gonna hang this way on the ear. So I'm thinking that because these have a really pretty gloss to them, I should gloss these as well. Wait, I realize they are upside down. Is that right? Hold on. That way. Okay, so that's how they're gonna hang. And I'm thinking that I should go ahead and put the gloss on them so that they will match the gloss of the stickers. And then I'm undecided. Let's see if we're gonna use these pink stickers or not. That pink really doesn't match, but let's see. But it looks like candy, which is really cute. See? That's cute. I'm undecided. Then I have these. These are the pièce de résistance, but I was saving those, I think, for something else. And they really don't match the heart theme. Let me just check these out and see. No, but anyway, so let's put the gloss on these, and then as soon as they dry, we'll put these on. And we are going to use, and these are cute. I've had these forever. You may have seen me use these in another project, and I literally only have 2 of these left. Now I could use those, and these, but these just seem to maybe throw it off. Okay, let me go get the Dimensional Magic, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the backs. And I just did like 1 coat. But remember, sometimes when you buy wood blanks, they're going to have like markings on the back, which there's really nothing you can do about. But let me make sure when I go to glue stuff, I'm gluing on the right direction, because they're going to hang this way. So that way the point is out and not towards your face, okay? So right now it won't matter, but let me get the clear top coat going. So I'm just gonna squeeze a whole lot out, even though you wanna be careful about air bubbles when you do that. And again, I've said this in multiple different videos, but I just use the nozzle to spread it out. guys, so these are still wet, so I probably should not be farting around with them at all. Oh yeah, I just put a fingerprint in that one. Okay, I'm gonna leave them alone, but just want to show you how they're coming along, and they are gonna hang so pretty, but I do need to leave them alone. Let me stop messing with stuff. Just so excited, and I wanted to hurry up. That's why I'm an instant gratification kind of craft girl. So they're gonna be so cute. Okay, leaving it alone. Guys, so let's get these earrings finished up because I'm hungry. I know every time I'm on here talking to y'all, it's like I'm hungry. So let me see. That's how they're looking. So I need to make sure I'm putting them the right way. So hold on a second. They're gonna hang that way. So we need to glue this way. Okay, so I believe that's gonna put our little pink hearts down there. And I believe I'm gonna go for the red. Yep, I'm gonna go for a cutie pie. And these things are super sticky, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue. And because the heart is still damp, I'm not gonna get to maneuver it around. So once it's there, I guess we're kind of stuck with the design. So let me make sure. Okay, so it's hanging this way. So we're gluing this way. And then let's go ahead, oh, sorry. So these are stickers as well, but I wouldn't leave that white piece on the back only because it could lift off. So I've had that happen before when I was using stickers. And this is gonna stick really well only because they're already stickers. So now you could mix and match what it's saying if you wanted to. I'm just gonna put them close together so I can line it up as best as possible. You can add some glitter if you want to. But because of how sticky your stickers are, no pun intended, there's no work time. There's no working around if it drops wrong or goes wrong. So we just gonna have to be satisfied. Oh, no pressure. Oh, God. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see it. I just want to turn it towards me so I can see if, make sure I'm placing it properly. Those are gonna be so pretty. So let's turn it around so you can see it. And I am gonna give them time to dry so I can put the dangles on and try them on with you. Okay, so they're gonna be pretty. And again, you could put some of the glitter. Remember we bought glitter that's that color from this. I'm trying to find my finger on the screen. We bought glitter the color of these hearts, but I think I'm gonna leave mine plain. You could, I have some gold markers, so we could do that if we want to. But we do have to let these dry so we don't mess them up. You guys, okay, so I had to come where there was decent lighting. So let me go this way. I don't know why the lighting wants to act up today, or just this weekend in general. So look, they look like candy. I love them. They are gorgeous. And I'm gonna put them down closer to the table so you can see them. But these are so fun to make for Valentine's Day, for your friends, for people that you love, for yourself, to hang out for friends, Valentine's Day, dinner dates, you name it. God bless you guys. I hope you have fun making some of these for yourself. I'm gonna put them on the table so you can see what they look like. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so they're still drying, but they're good to go, and we are done.